Now, I'll take the blame for most of this mess as the parent because I did not give my kids the right tools to know how to really keep their bathroom organized. And as you can tell, there were a few things in here that belong to me also. I have 3 girls and 2 of them are at the age where they love to paint their fingernails, and that was one of the biggest messes in this bathroom. There was fingernail polish in every drawer, broken, spilled everywhere, and it was a disaster to clean, but we got it done. I have these clear drawers from the Container Store in every cabinet of my house. You're going to see a lot of them if you're watching all of my organization videos. I'm obsessed. You can't organize a bathroom without cleaning it also, so that was what I did next, and then added a fun little decorative piece to the cabinet. I cannot wait to redo this bathroom. It is on our list of makeovers for this year, and it is going to be so fun. So we've got Q-tips, we've got all of their nail stuff, cotton balls, we've got some medicine that I did end up moving to my bathroom, and now the girls know where everything goes and everything has a place.